Hi, this is Sally from Windsor Telecom, and this is a guide through the My Windsor Phone system. Once you have received your invite, set up your password and logged in, this should be the page that you'll be able to see. So just giving you a quick walkthrough, you'll be able to see your call history down the one side, as well as suggestions of other extensions that you're able to click onto to call, as well as see what state they're in. So if they are on an inbound call, outbound call, if their line is ringing, or if they are not logged in for the day. Additionally, from here, you'll be able to see your dial pad, where you can just generally call through. You can call your extensions from here, as well as general numbers. You are able to withhold your outgoing number, as well as call through to your voicemail. If you need to call through to the voicemail of a specific extension, you can use *95 and then the extension number of that mailbox. When you are on a call, you will get a blue panel down the one side, as well as a line across the top to see the details of who has called through, how long you have been on the call, and other such details. We'll do an example call just so you can see this. Within this area, you can see that you are able to mute your call, place the call on hold. Within these three buttons, you see you are able to transfer. An attended transfer allows you to speak to the person who you are transferring to before you end the call and this goes over, as well as an unattended transfer where the call will be sent straight through. If you need to change your presenting number at all, you are able to go into your settings and use your default caller ID. This will show you any numbers that are on the system. You can also turn on and off your notifications for when your calls come through. Using the system on the web page is what you can see here. If you wish to pull this out onto the app, you can use this option. Press install or open. This will then open it onto the actual desktop app, for which you can right click and pin this to your taskbar. This means that it will run in the background and you can use it at any point. You will get your pop-ups in the bottom corner, means you can use any other applications and still get your notifications as to when you have a call coming through. Thank you for watching our guide on the My Windsor Phone. If you do need any further support, do feel free to give us a call.